If you bought a truck in the last few years, stop scrolling, because this could cost you tens of thousands of dollars. Right now, across America, owners are watching once expensive pickups turn into financial sinkholes. And in this video, we're exposing 4 trucks that look powerful, modern, and reliable, but are quietly becoming liabilities. One was supposed to be the future of trucking. One comes from a brand once known for bulletproof reliability. One drains wallets faster than fuel. And number 1 may be nearly impossible to sell by 2026. Number 4. Ford F-150 Lightning. On paper, the F-150 Lightning looked unstoppable. America's best-selling truck. Now electric. Ford promised lower operating costs, instant torque, and a truck that could replace gas without compromise. What owners actually got was a $70,000 experiment. The advertised 300-mile range collapses in the real world. Cold weather, highway speeds, or towing can cut that number in half, sometimes worse. Owners report planning trips like pilots calculating fuel reserves, constantly worried about getting stranded. One contractor in Ohio said his Lightning became unusable for job sites after winter hit. Another owner admitted he carries a gas generator in the bed just to make it home, completely defeating the purpose of an electric truck. Charging is another reality Ford doesn't advertise. Home charging often requires thousands of dollars in electrical upgrades. Public chargers are unreliable, slow, or already occupied, and when charging fails, the truck doesn't limp home, it stops. Battery replacement costs are the silent killer. When these packs fail, and early data shows higher than expected failure rates, replacement costs can exceed $25,000 to $30,000. Insurance companies are increasingly unwilling to absorb that risk. The resale market has already spoken. Used Lightnings are selling for less than half their original MSRP after barely 18 to 24 months. Dealers don't want them. Private buyers are backing away. By 2026, as warranties expire and battery concerns grow, the Lightning's resale value is projected to collapse even further. Number 3. Ram TRX. The Ram TRX looks like a dream truck. 702 horsepower. Aggressive styling. A supercharged V8 that sounds like freedom. But ownership has become a financial nightmare. The Hellcat engine delivers extreme performance at an extreme cost. Real-world fuel economy hovers around 10 miles per gallon. Owners report spending $300 to $400 a week just on Maintenance costs are brutal. Oil changes routinely exceed $250. Supercharger servicing costs over $1,000. Brakes, tires, and suspension components wear out at shocking rates due to the truck's weight and power. One owner documented nearly $10,000 in maintenance within the first year. Reliability is worse. Supercharger failures, fuel system issues, and transmission problems are appearing well before 50,000 miles. When parts fail, owners often face months-long back orders. Insurance companies have noticed. Many TRX owners report insurance premiums rivaling luxury sports cars. Some insurers have stopped issuing new policies altogether. Depreciation has been ruthless. TRXs are losing 45% or more of their value in just 2 years. Once fuel prices rise again, and they will, demand will collapse even faster. By 2026, this truck will be remembered as a loud, fast, extremely expensive mistake. Number 2. Toyota Tundra, 2022 to present. For decades, Toyota trucks were considered bulletproof. People bought them expecting 250,000 miles without drama. The redesigned Tundra shattered that reputation almost overnight. Toyota replaced its proven V8 with a twin-turbo V6, and the results have been catastrophic. Owners are experiencing complete engine failures with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Internal manufacturing contamination, metal shavings, and debris has destroyed engines from the inside. Some trucks have received multiple engine replacements, only for the replacement engines to fail again. Dealers are overwhelmed. Wait times stretch into months. Trucks sit undrivable while owners continue making payments. What's most shocking is resale value. Tundras used to be among the safest financial vehicles you could buy. Now, used models are losing 30 to 35% in the first year alone. Auction prices confirm the collapse. Buyers no longer trust the platform. Toyota's once unbreakable image has been permanently damaged. By 2026, as more engines fail outside warranty coverage, these trucks will flood the used market, driving values even lower.
Number 1. Rivian R1T.
The Rivian R1T is the perfect example of why startup truck companies are dangerous. On the surface, it looks revolutionary, but underneath, it's a rolling software experiment. Nearly every function depends on software. Doors, suspension, drive modes, even basic operation. When updates fail, the truck becomes completely inoperable. Owners report trucks bricking themselves overnight after routine updates. Flatbeds are common. Service centers are rare. Some owners wait months for repairs. Others live hundreds of miles from the nearest service location. Battery and electrical issues are widespread. Thermal incidents, charging failures, and high voltage faults are quietly discussed in owner groups, often behind non-disclosure agreements. Then there's the company itself. Rivian continues to lose billions of dollars. Analysts openly question whether the company can survive long-term. If Rivian fails, owners are left with orphaned vehicles. No parts, no service, no software support. The resale market already reflects this fear. Used R1Ts are selling for 30 to 40% below purchase price, even with low mileage. By 2026, if Rivian's future remains uncertain, these trucks could become nearly impossible to sell at any price. Before we break these trucks down one by one, hit subscribe right now if you want the truth about modern trucks, not dealership marketing and not paid reviews. This channel exists for hardworking people who can't afford expensive mistakes. And tell us in the comments, what truck do you own? Your experience might save someone else thousands of dollars.